Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your CLA key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2025 battery. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple process will help you replace the battery quickly and efficiently, restoring full functionality to your key. Next, let's access the mechanical key. Look for the small, textured release button located on the side of your key fob. Gently press this button, and while holding it down, slide the metal mechanical key out from the top. This key is essential for the next step, as it helps us open the main casing without damage. Now, carefully insert the tip of the mechanical key into the small slot you'll find where the mechanical key was housed. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Locate the old battery, typically a CR 2025, and remove it. Then, insert your new battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the mechanical key back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test all the functions of your key fob to confirm the new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.